Hello friends, dear teachers and students. Again I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Friends, we are going to discuss very important part in this video. Friends, before watching this video regarding the MCQs on the world famous short story The Remorseful Sinner, written by Leo Tolstoy, the Russian great philosopher. Friends, before to watch this story, in description of this video, there are three links of three videos, where in one video there is a discussion about contribution of Leo Tolstoy to life and literature. In second video, friends, I have discussed the beautiful short story The Remorseful Sinner, and in third video the same short story I have discussed in Hindi. So first of all, it's my humble request to all of you that please watch all those three videos, and with the help of these three videos it will be very easy, it will be very simple to answer all these questions in this video. Friends, these questions or this video is a kind of a test, and for that test you have to be ready. Friends, when I start video regarding the MCQs, try to note down as well as try to note down MCQ as well as correct answer, and then finally you have to check your score. So friends, let's start the video regarding the MCQs on the short story The Remorseful Sinner, written by Leo Tolstoy. Before to that, I humbly request you, please subscribe my channel, like or click bell icon. Why? Because when there will be another video published on my YouTube channel, first time you'll get it. Apart from that, I humbly request you all that circulate all these videos among your friends and students. So friends, let's start the beautiful, very interesting video on the MCQs of the short story Remorseful Sinner. Friends, this is the first MCQ. When Leo Tolstoy was born? Options are A, in 1825, B, in 1828, C, in 1830, D, in 1850. Friends, note down your answer, and the correct answer of this question is in 1828. Next question. Leo Tolstoy was a short story writer, playwright, philosopher, educationist, and great novelist of the world. Options are A, Russian, B, Indian, C, American, D, British. Friends, note down your answer, and this is the correct answer. He was a Russian short story writer, playwright, philosopher, educationist, and great novelist of the world. Next MCQ. Friends, for watching or for answering all these questions, I humbly request you, read the original text from the prescribed book Prudence and then give the answers. The third question. Which literary works of Leo Tolstoy are famous in the sphere of world of the writings? Options are A, War and Peace, B, Anna Karenina, C, Haji Murad, D, all of the above. Friends, note down your answer, and this is the answer, D, all of the above. These are the famous works of Leo Tolstoy: War and Peace, Anna Karenina, and Haji Murad. Next MCQ. Which world leaders were influenced by the writings of Leo Tolstoy? Options are A, Mahatma Gandhi, B, Martin Luther King Jr., C, both A and B, D. None of the above. And the correct answer of this question is C. Both A and B. That is Mahatma Gandhi and Martin Luther King. Next MCQ. The epigraph of the story, The Remorseful Sinner, is taken from dash 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 dash. Options are A. The Bible, B. The Mahabharata, C. The Ramayana, D. The Quran. Note down your answer, dear students, and this is the correct answer. A. The Bible. The epigraph is taken from the Bible. Next MCQ. Which chapter of the Bible is mentioned in the epigraph of the story, The Remorseful Sinner? Options are the Luke 20, A. B. The Luke 23rd, C. The Luke 22, and D. The Luke 24. Friends, note down your answer, and this is the correct answer. The epigraph mentioned in the Luke 23. Next MCQ. The story, The Remorseful Sinner, begins with. Options are A. The Gospels of Luke, B. The quote, C. The poetry, D. None of the above. Note down your answer, and this is correct answer. The story begins with the Gospels of Luke. Option A is correct answer. Next MCQ. Who wrote the short story The Remorseful Sinner? Options are A. Liam Johnson, B. Annie Bronte, C. Leo Tolstoy, D. Richard Johnson. And the correct answer of this question is C. Leo Tolstoy. Next MCQ. What was the age of the remorseful sinner in the story The Remorseful Sinner? Options are A. 60 years, B. 40 years, C. 70 years, D. 80 years. And the correct answer of this question is C. 70 years. Next MCQ. Where the remorseful sinner went after the death in the story The Remorseful Sinner? Options are A. The hell, B. The heaven, C. The sea, and D. The doors of heaven. Sorry friends, due to printing there is a B option repeated, and the correct answer of this question is D. The doors of heaven. He went to the doors of heaven. Next MCQ. What was the demand of the remorseful sinner at the doors of heaven? Options are the entry into the kingdom of heaven, B. The entry into the kingdom of hell, C. The salvation, D. None of the above. And the correct answer of this question is A. The entry into the kingdom of heaven. Next MCQ. Who was the first voice to meet the remorseful sinner at the doors of heaven? Options are A. The King David, B. Peter the Apostle, C. The prophet, D. The happy man. Friends, note down your answer. Very important question. And the correct answer of this question is B. Peter the Apostle. Next MCQ. Who was second voice to meet the remorseful sinner at the doors of heaven? Friends, for all these very easy answers, read the original text of the short story The Remorseful Sinner. Options A. Peter the Apostle, B. The King, C. The happy man, D. David King and prophet. David, King and prophet. And the correct answer of this question is D. David, King and prophet. Next MCQ. Who was the third voice to meet the remorseful sinner at the doors of heaven? Options are A. Peter the Apostle, B. The King David, C. Saint John, the evangelist. D. The prophet. And the correct answer of this question is C. Saint John, the evangelist. Next MCQ. Who was the Peter apostle in the story The Remorseful Sinner? Options: A. A disciple of Jesus Christ. B. The sinner. C. The doorkeeper. D. The singer. And the correct answer of this question is A. A disciple of Jesus Christ. Next MCQ. What sins were done by the King David in the story The Remorseful Sinner? Options are: A. Took the wife of Uriah. B. Killed Uriah. C. Robbed the lambs. D. All of the above. And the correct answer of this question is all of the above. He took the wife of Uriah, killed Uriah, robbed the lambs. Next MCQ. Who was the Saint John, the evangelist in the story The Remorseful Sinner? Options are: A. The saint. B. The sinner. C. The God. D. None of the above. And the correct answer of this question is A. The saint. Friends, this is the last MCQ. Who opened the doors of heaven to the remorseful sinner in the story The Remorseful Sinner? Options: A. The king. B. Saint John the evangelist. C. Peter the apostle. D. The King David. And the answer of this question is B. Saint John the evangelist. Friends, I humbly request you subscribe and circulate as well as read the original text. Friends, I conclude this video with the beautiful quote of Leo Tolstoy. In this situation, this quote is very, very important for everybody. Leo Tolstoy says, "We lost because we told ourselves we lost." So please don't say yourself that we lost. Always say that we won. We are going to winning all the challenges. Thank you, friends. I stop myself here regarding the MCQs of the remorseful sinner. Friends, in next video, we're going to discuss about the next part of the syllabus from first year or maybe from second year compulsory. Thank you, friends. Thank you, one and all.